Connor, is Daddy giving you a turn?
What?
Is Daddy giving you a turn?
Yeah.
Oh, he is. Can you show me around your sandbox, honey?
Yeah.
Okay, give me a tour. Show me about it.
It's new and I'm playing with my trucks and I'm building a highway.
You building the highway?
Yeah.
Can you tell me what trucks you're going to use to build your highway?
Construction trucks.
Okay, well, like, what's this one called?
A plane.
Okay, show me. And what's the next one called?
A dump truck.
Okay, you going to show them to me?
Yeah.
Go ahead, show me.
Plane, dump truck, loader, backhoe. Dump truck, loader. Loader, dump truck, plane, loader. Excavator, bulldozer. Dump truck.
Excellent job. Thank you. Look at Loopy.
Dumping the dirt.